Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will discuss the chapter of Islamiyat, Battle of Azab, which is also called Battle of Trench and Ghazwa Khandaq. After the migration, Muslims established an Islamic state at Medina as a strong nation. Muslims activists spent up Medina. Jews began to nurse enmity and haters towards them. 10,000 strong, the tribe of Banu Nazir expelled from Medina because they tried to assassinate Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam moved to Khaybar. They made a deal with the Quraysh to form a 10,000 strong army to march to Medina under Abu Sufyan. Muslim plans. Salman al-Farsi was the one who suggested that the Muslim dig a trench on the open side of the entrance of the city. Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam approved this plan, and soon the Muslims were divided into parties of 10, and each party allocated 10 yards to dig. Map after trench was dug. The enemies were surprised to see trench which they never expected. The enemies tried day and night to bridge and cross over, but every time the Muslim archers who were positioned on mountain Salah prevented them. Banu Qurayza responded to Abu Sufyan and betrayed the treaty with the Muslim. Soon Medina was to be attacked from both sides simultaneously. Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam had to send 500 men to stop them. Amr bin Abd Wud. Soon a few enemy warriors led by Amr bin Abd managed to cross the trench. Amr was very much feared in the Arab world. He was a giant and considered equal to 10,000 warriors in battle. He began challenging the Muslims and mocking them, saying, "What are you afraid of? If you kill me, you will go to paradise, and if I will kill you, you will still go to paradise." Hazrat Ali Razi Ta'ala Anha has the courage when none of the Muslims had the courage to stand up to challenge Hazrat Amr. Hazrat Ali Razi Ta'ala Anha did. The Holy Prophet called out 3 times to urge them to fight him, but the Muslims were hesitant because of Amar's reputation. Hazrat Ali got up 3 to fight him, and the third time the Holy Prophet let him go. Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam tied a special turban on the head of Hazrat Ali Razi Ta'ala Anha and prayed for him, and as Hazrat Ali Razi Ta'ala Anha left to face Amr bin Abd, Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Now all of faith is going forward to face all of faithlessness." Hazrat Ali Razi Ta'ala first offered Amr to surrender and accept Islam, but Amr refused. Then he offered Amr to turn back and go away, but Amr also refuses. Hazrat Ali Razi Ta'ala and Amr started fighting. Hazrat Ali threw Amr on the ground and was about to kill him, but Amr spat on him, and so Hazrat Ali left him alone and walked away for a few seconds before resuming the battle. Later, Hazrat Ali was asked why he left Amr the first time. He said, "I did not want to kill him for my own anger. I wanted to kill him only for Allah's sake." The next time around, as the dust flew, everyone heard Hazrat Ali Razi Ta'ala Anha shouting Allahu Akbar as Amr fell to the ground dead. Abu Sufyan's army always to enter Medina for 24 days, but there was no way. Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to a hilltop and prayed to Allah for help. Soon after the Prophet's prayer, a sandstorm hit the enemy army, uprooting their tent and making them run in all directions. Allah Sallallahu Ta'ala mentioned it in the Quran. O believer, remember Allah's favor upon you when enemy force came to besiege you in Medina. So we sent against the bitter wind and force you could not see, and Allah is seeing all of what you do. Muslims won over Quraysh, and Quraysh, Gaftan and allies were 10,000 in total. Muslims were 3,000 in total. Battle took place in 627 AD. I hope this lecture is very much productive for you. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.